Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my another video. It's me Sushant Paul in front of you, and today I'm gonna tell you your biggest enemy. Your biggest enemy is your mind. Hey, let's talk about your mind. Okay, so are you ready? Your mind is like a superpower, but if you don't control it, it becomes your worst enemy. So no one else, it's your mind. You know that voice in your head, the one that says you are too weak, you will fail or give up. That's your mind fighting you. It's scared. It loves to complain, worry, and make you doubt yourself all the time. Yeah. But here is the secret. You are stronger than your thoughts. You don't have to listen to that voice. You can say, stop. I am in charge here. You can say, stop. I am in charge here. How? Let's make it simple. Notice the bad thoughts when your mind says, I can't. When your mind says, I can't, pause and take a deep breath. Change the story. Say, I will try instead of I can't. Say, I will learn instead of I am bad at this. Focus on now. Don't think about yesterday's mistakes or tomorrow's fears. Just think, what can I do right now? And your mind is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. Every time you choose positive thoughts, you win. If you think positive thoughts, every time you ignore fear, you grow. Okay, yes, it's hard some days. Your mind will scream louder. You are the boss. You decide what to think. You decide to keep going. Okay, so keep practicing, keep learning, and yeah, you have to motivate yourself sometimes. Not sometimes, all the times. Try to motivate yourself. You can watch motivation video or you can watch my videos. Okay, I think this video will be very helpful and it's one kind of motivational videos. Okay, so that's it for today. I don't want it more longer. Have a good day. Thank you for watching me.